How to merge clips in CapCut. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your PC. Once you open the CapCut app, you want to go ahead and choose any two videos that you would like. In order to import the video, tap on import and choose it from your PC right over here. Once you choose it, tap on open, and just like so, you'll then be able to find this kind of interface. So once you import the video, go ahead and drag it in the edit section, and once you drag it, you simply want to go ahead and select both of the video, and once the both videos are selected, right click onto it, and then you'll be able to find different options. From here, go ahead and tap on create compound clip, and just like so, you'll then be able to merge the clip on CapCut. You can even make adjustment by dragging it. You can even make adjustment by dragging the end of the video, and just like so, you are good to go. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.